Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update. When was the last time you checked with your remote staff about the state of their home tech? A new report says 2/3 of remote workers have faulty devices they haven't reported to their boss. Laptops are the most likely to break, followed by keyboards, monitors, and PCs. Most damage is done by food and drink spillages. It's playing havoc with their productivity, so why don't they report it? Because they're scared of getting into trouble. 4 out of 5 people continue to use their device if only a few features are affected. A third will swap to their personal device instead. This is a problem, as it opens up your business data to new security risks. Personal tech might not have all the security measures a work device would. We suggest you make it a golden rule that all work must be done on company-issued devices, and create a culture where it's okay if a device gets damaged, so long as it's reported quickly. If you need any help choosing the right technology for your team or creating a new policy, give us a call. That's your tech update. More next week.